favorite book is Skeleton Hiccups.
What part do you like, Ethan?
I like when he's in the shower and he's trying to get the hiccups away, and then he's saying hic hic, and when he's drinking water upside down, and it went everywhere on the floor, and then he still kept saying hic hic.